Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the fob battery for a Hyundai Veloster used in 2019 and on if you have this flip fob smart key. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and flip this out, the internal valet key, and you'll see on the side here, on the back, there's two spots with an indentation, here and here. If you take a small flathead screwdriver, like you have from a jeweler's set, you can get for a couple bucks on Amazon, go ahead and put small flathead right into that spot in the back there, and you can see you can get some leverage there, and then do the same on the spot at the base, and you'll be able to pop this back right off like that. Now, to get access to the battery, there's two Phillips screws here, small ones, so if you have your precision screwdriver set, you'll need a pretty small one. Go ahead and unscrew this battery backing here to get access to the CR2032 battery that we need to change. And the screws will stay on there, so just go ahead and set that aside. Now you can see the battery, CR2032. The easiest way to get this out, there's two long prongs here. If you pull the battery with just your finger towards you, you'll release it from the shorter prongs there, and it'll just pop right out. So when you've got a new one, make sure the positive side's facing towards you, and then just put it in towards the long prongs first, and then go ahead and replace the battery backing like so. Screw that back in. And then the back will just pop right back in. Okay, so that's how you change the battery in the Veloster for Hyundai 2019 and beyond.